Meet me at spawn, feller. Meet
I'm
me at
coming,
spawn.
Failer, I'm coming.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
You're
I'm dead.
not.
I'm dead.
You ain't dead yet.
Are you from
Oh,
them? Are
lag,
you from
lag,
them
lag.
South states?
I
Yep.
am. I'm from Tennessee.
I am.
Oh.
That's not
Are
really
you really
south.
from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see.
Oh, blush.
Oh,
Hey,
Blush.
bitch, where are you, dude? I need help. I
I'm
need
coming.
help.
I'm in the water, son, Failer.
I'm in,
I'm in love with a stripper.
I'm in
I'm dead.
love with
Bye.
the cocoa.
Caesar,
That's sniped though.
Caesar.
I was half a heart the whole entire
Hey
time.
fellers, I'm gonna play some SG with you too.
Wait.
After this game.
He's full time, by the way. He's
After
full time.
this game right here, we're gonna do some SG.
He's full
And
time, by the way.
what?
All right, I'll join you, Chris. I'll join you.
No, don't join. No, wait.
Not
Right
yet,
there.
not yet. I'm in one in the chamber game.
Yeah,
Got lag though. Okay,
You
done.
can't start until I get done.
All right, kill him. Or just
I love
leave.
myself.
I love myself.
So they're still in spawn or not?
Wait, is Craig here? Craig, are you here?
Craig.
Who's this Craig you speak of, feller?
Yeah, who's
I'm
Craig?
here.
Oh,
Okay, there
Craig.
he is.
I got you.
I love myself. Oh, if only I had string, I could get in the train.
String is
He's at spawn. He's full diamond.
Full D?
Full D, yeah.
Like, he got that D?
Yep.
I'ma come get him. I'ma get him,
Yeah,
feller.
You
You want that D, huh?
I'm all about that D. About that
D.
D.
No.
No,
No
big
balls.
D. Oh, no ball.
I don't know.
Yeah.
No
Yes.
balls. No balls.
No balls, bet you won't.
Bet you won't, but
No whammy.
will I really?
And I love mom. I got a text message.
People
Yeah,
text you
you-
us.
Yeah, I know. It's weird that I have friends.
Me?
Yeah,
What
we
about me, man?
Oh,
That was
That-
a
What was
voice
that?
crack.
that was
Ah,
that was a death call, not a
Death
mating call. Just so you know.
my mating call.
Where exactly in spawn is he?
Oh,
No, I
dang,
left
that
the
guy
game.
just
Last-
did
last
like
place I saw he
360
was
no
on spawn.
scope on my.
He was what?
God dang it.
Last time I left, he was on spawn. Like
You should
spawn.
have just
spawn.
waited and gave me his coordinates so you could, you
Yeah,
know.
he's at spawn, fella.
Is it true
Just
that
me,
all tennis? Well, no, that's like. Racist.
Oh, that's racist.
Yeah.
That's right. He really started off on the
Is
wrong
it,
foot.
okay, is it true that like people from the south are like all about the big trucks and stuff? And like
Most people, yeah. I'm not. I don't drive a truck.
spawn.
Who the heck is that?
I'm in spawn, there's nobody here. Dude, that's my favorite.
She's eating or something like that.
Oh, I know what she's eating.
That dude?
Oh. I was gonna say she's probably eating like Oreos or something.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
See, she goes to eat Oreos.
No.
Wait, did you double dip? Because that's against the law.
Oh my god.
Wink, wink, Oreos.
I wasn't eating.
She
Oh,
doesn't
she
wanna
was
talk to us.
swallowing it.
Oh my god.
She's like Patrick off
Totally.
SpongeBob and SpongeBob, where he just like sucks it all in. And that's how he eats
Yes.
it, like a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, little faggot, sucking everything.
Oh jeez, I wasn't going for that, but
I'm gonna beat
if the
everybody
shoe
with my
fits.
breath. If the shoe fits, you should probably wear it because, I mean, it's hard to find shoes.
Yeah, I
that
know,
fit,
right?
I love myself.
That's a pretty good song. I'll give them that.
So I'm holding shift, but I'm falling off these chests.
I'm holding shit. Kristen,
Yeah.
He's trying to beat me with an axe.
Stick Trigger. He's first in the TNT. Just so you know,
I
for
know.
kills.
I know.
Are you jealous? He's like first for everything. First for deaths.
He's
for
not
kills.
going to be for long. I can say that.
So you're just gonna die like 500 times until
Alright,
you
kill
get
some.
first with this.
I got 4 diamond boots.
I'd
Or
rather
5.
win first and then
Look at that
do the
hat
death.
that I made you.
It's an abbreviation. I don't want to type that much.
Yeah, but like, you can say it IRL though.
Yeah,
like-
true.
See?
This kid had, look, okay, I'm in deathmatch with 2 people. One
See,
has
but
leather,
you
one
just
has all leather, one has leather boots.
you just said IRL.
But that's better than saying D.
It's basically the same.
IRL could mean like in real time.
No, because there's an L, not a T.
What?
In real leggings.
Yeah, exactly. In real
Like
leggings, not those black
Kristen.
leggings.
Love leggings. They're the best.
If you know what I mean.
High five, image.
I high-fived you. I high-fived my mic.
Oh, hey, Pancake Boy. 23. Why isn't your name like 21? Like
21.
Pancake Boy 21.
21.
Oh my god.
What happened to the first?
Oh,
23? Or
get
22?
wrecked. $18 for its image. Let's go.
Because 23
Yeah.
is my lucky number and my favorite number.
Okay.
And
Okay,
no,
I'm
I do
about
not
to-
like basketball.
I'm about to be in the lobby.
You like Miley
Okay.
Cyrus, that's who you like.
What?
Oh my gosh. Waitress. I don't remember the words.
Image, you're right there.
Who is it? Who is it? Who is this polar bear with the scar? That polar bears don't get cold.
Oh,
Treats.
yeah. Well,
Come on.
you know what? I just thought, maybe
What
if he
happened
came
was-
into like the city, he just wants to look cool.
Oh,
like
he just
everybody
wants to
else.
look cool. He wants to look like he doesn't get like real cold and stuff. He just wants to look like he got a scar because he's a bear. He goes outside bear. He doesn't take it like a polar bear. He says bear.
Yeah, exactly.
Chris Unicorn, that sounds like a strip club name.
It is.
That's my name.
I own
It's
it.
mine. Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
it's,
this is
we
awkward.
share it. It's a
It's
I'll
a
just-
family business.
yeah.
Exactly.
It's a
I don't
family
even laugh,
business. Black unicorn 24.
Oh, look at this. It's like a rainbow.
Look at this. It's
creeper.
only blue Wi-Fi. That means he only gets blue bars, right?
I think so. Is
My
that like the
final
late?
twist.
Oh, he did, this is witchcraft.
His
He's got
Wi-Fi
overall.
turned off. He needs that green Wi-Fi.
He just got that red bar.
You got that red Wi-Fi.
On
You got
that
red
one
Wi-Fi,
bar
brother?
life-
The
On
McDonald's
that one
Wi-Fi.
bar life.
Son, I'm just going off McDonald's Wi-Fi. They ain't give me no Ethernet cable, so here I am. Jesus.
No.
Okay, we have 18 people. I think that's the max.
No, I don't
right? No,
have sticky
20,
keys.
21.
My keys are
21.
perfectly fine, feller.